Hello YouTube, with you I'm Abdi. Today I want to speak with you in English. However, don't worry, because special for you I made a subtitles. Boom! Let's talk about an unusual topic. I have told you a lot about life in America. Now let's give a vent to our fantasies. You know what guys, I'm curious. Why our Kazakhs are not interested in modern discoveries, but live with all the stereotypes and thinking? Why when the world and the science is developing rapidly, we all do the opposite? We descend into the middle age. I do not talk about all Kazakhs. Elon Musk is going to send a man to the Mars. Scientists is on the impulse of creating an artificial intellect, thanks to which we will have a virtual friends in the future. Even half a century years ago, we sent our letters to the distant countries and waited for months to answer. And now, on the cosmic level, we can see each other with the help of the phone, with a single clicking on the bottom. What we are doing, Kazakhs, we are still discussing Ayjan Bayzakova, taking bribes, stealing state money. We do not build roads, schools, and educational observatories. We have built a big house to ourselves that our children will live it well than others. Kazakhs are seized with greed, fear and despair, not with modesty, intelligence or wisdom. We are so rotten that we do not have anything left for our descendants. Tell me, what kind of books did we write in Kazakh language for our children? What film we shoot which will give hope and motivation to our children's past 5 years? Some gossip, some scandals, one lift, one greed. That's what we now have. You guys asking what we can do? Here's an answer. Let's sing Kazakhs. Thank you all.